Jenita, this video is for you. This is the little plant I was going to show you. He's kind of prickly and it grows these beautiful little flowers and they all hang down. Aren't they gorgeous? They're so pretty. And that's about the extent of my garden. I've got a few little cactus. One there. That one. That's my little nectarine tree that's growing. And this little succulent, and he's flowering as well. Oops, I do have one more I'll show you. Oh, there's my fat cat Clive. Clive! My weeds. I actually let these weeds grow because I like to press them as dried flowers. And I've got this guy. Aren't they pretty? And that's it. There's a few others in my garden, but they're not flowering yet because it's just, we've just started spring here in Australia. Okay, that's it. I thought I'd show them since I know you love gardening.